Assuming you want to prank your friends on social media platform with deepfake via a pre-recorded video with a female face, okay? Maybe you want to wear a female face and you want to use the face to prank your friends on social media platform as if you're a woman, all right? Now I'm going to show you how you can achieve a pink lips without having to rub a lipstick on your lips. You will just achieve this pink lips with AI feature in a free video editing software. Okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve a pink lips in any of your video or any of the video you want to post on your social media platform without rubbing a lipstick on your lips with AI feature in a free video editing software. Now, the very first thing you need to do is to go to your system and download and install Capcut. Okay, once you download and install Capcut, you see it in front of your desktop. Double click on it or right click and click on open and allow Capcut to open. Here is Capcut. Now click on create project. Once you click on create project, allow the software to load. Go to import, click on import and locate the video wherever you have the video and import the video. Now I'm going to import this video. This video, you can see, is the video where I changed my face. And if you look at my lips is just normal as a female lips. Okay. Now we're going to change these lips and make it to be more pink. So close here. This is the video we want. Double click on it to import it in Capcut software. Now drag this video and bring it down to your timeline. Once it's in your timeline, we're going to go straight. Got it. Now already, once you make sure that you touch this video. If you don't touch this video, you will see all these options. You can see if you click on the empty space, you will not see any option. But if you click on the video, you will see options to make some amendments. Okay. Now here is basic, and we have to go to retouch. Once you go to retouch, you can see retouch, scroll down. Okay, auto reshape, no, scroll down, and manual or what, I don't know. Then the next one is makeup. You can see, click on this makeup, toggle on click on there, make sure it's toggle on. Click here, right, and this is going to load. Now you can see looks, eyelashes, eyeshadow, lipstick. There's a whole lot of changes you can make here. You can increase your eyelash, eyebrow, just like that. There's a whole lot. But we're just going to go straight to lipstick. In one of my next videos, I'm going to go deep down into the software and show you some other things that you can do with this software. Now, let's go to lipstick. Once you click on lipstick, you can see different lips. Now, take a very close look at my lips on this screen. All right. If you click, you can see here, nothing is selected. If you click on this, you can see my lips has changed to darker lips. This one is black. You guys can see my lips is black here. Now I'm going to choose this or this. Let me check. This is all right. Or this. Okay. No, let me take this. This is okay. Now, when you click on any of the lips, if you scroll down, you see that you can still you can see degree. You know, you can make it lighter. You can see. You can still increase it to be very, very visible. Okay, you guys can see my lips is now completely red. Once you do this, there's a whole lot body shape. You can increase your head, you know, so many other things. But this is just what I want to show, the lips stick stuff. Once you double click on this, it has already affected this video. So all you need to do is just click on export and export your video to let's name it Pinky KY. Right now, click on export. Once you click on export, this video is going to be exported with that kind of lips. So with this, you can transform your video and make your video or yourself or any video that you import in Capcut. You use it to change the to have a pink lip in your video footage. Now, guys, I hope this video was helpful for those of you that would like to achieve a pink lips in your video, pre-recorded video. This is quite very simple. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuike Kingsley, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.